Remember to join us tonight at 8 p.m. for Sunday Night Lime right after the Bartender uploads on Expressions JA YouTube channel.
Do you remember how the night ended? Pearl, what's wrong?
Don't call me that. I'm Master Sergeant Brown, alias Wasp.
Don't do this. Don't shut me up.
Do you realize you have a sentimental memory of that night? For me, it was quite different. The target tried to rape me, and I had to put him down. I took heat for that, because I was to bring in a live target.
I was talking about after the operation.
Don't you see, Paul? The fun memories are not staying. I have to be reliving the horrors.
I'm a part of those fun memories. Let's go back to the way it was. Let me help you, Pearl. Pearl, don't shut me up. Please, I miss us. I miss how things used to be. You were always that star that lit up my night skies. We did everything together. I want that back.
Paul, I understand. I know you want to be there for me, and I remember our happy times. But I have to do this on my own. I have to process me. I'm not good for anyone right now. I'm not shutting you out. I just need time. I need time. You have to give me that. I can never forget what we had, because those have been the happiest time in my life. I just need time to process this. Give me that time.
I understand. And I'll give you that. But just know I love you enough. So whenever you need me, you can call on me. I'll be there.
Paul. I remember what I had to tell you before they came for us.
What?
I was pregnant. I'm sorry.